And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what you can see that the gold is currently trading at around 1972. Okay, and if you look at the chart, we can see a U pattern is forming, and along with this U pattern we can say a trend towards downside has been there, but after that we have seen two green candles, so pattern forming a cup. Okay, so probability will be high, we can see a sharp upside in the price of gold. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold and other commodities are working, and even forex and any of the stocks. And please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram subscription, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you have seen my previous video, I have told you that this particular pattern was a candle pattern. Okay, and this same pattern is forming here. If you look at closely, first pattern, second pattern, U pattern. Along with this we have seen an upside of 2070. Okay, and now if you look at the chart, here, we can see yes, a same pattern is forming here. Okay, and now probability will be high that we can see it can move further upside, and if it goes above a level of 2050, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 2080 and can go further upside. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go at a level of 1976, and this 1976 is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further aside towards a level of 1983.92. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1994.39, and from there we can see it can go for a further upside towards a level of 2020.55. Suppose the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 2050.19, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 2071.12. Okay, and this level is also being tested twice, so probability will be high. If the price sustain above 2050, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 2090 also, and can cross a level of 2100 also. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is uncertain, we do not know that whether price will go upside or downside, but because how the pattern moves, we move according to the price action. Okay, and few techniques or hedging strategies and other strategies we use in order to see where the price or how we can analyze the situation. Now understand, suppose the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1965, because this is a strong support, and this particular support breaks downside, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1959.37 also, and from there we can see a level of 1954 also. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see yes, it can fall towards a level of 1947, and from there we can see a level of 1933 also. Okay, once the price fall below 1934 or 1933, and I have told you that this is the particular support which if breaks downside, we can see a level of 1915, or this is the particular support I have told you that if it sustain above this level, we can see it can move further upside. So now if the price goes below 1934, then we can see a level of 1916. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1902.89. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1878.46, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1873.88. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1869.30, and from there we can see a level of 1854.04. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1835.72, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1812.82. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a downward trend will start for gold. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.